Troubleshooting Terraria multiplayer issues.
Hello there! If you're having trouble playing Terraria in multiplayer mode, you've come to the right place. Multiplayer issues can be frustrating, but they're often caused by common problems that can be fixed relatively easily. Today, we're going to walk through the most likely causes of these issues and how to resolve them.
Is your game version up to date?
The first thing to check is whether you're running the most recent version of Terraria. This is important because updates often contain bug fixes and improvements that may resolve multiplayer issues. 1. If you're on Steam, the game should update automatically, but you can manually check by going to your library, right-clicking Terraria, selecting Properties, then Updates, and ensuring that automatic updates are enabled. 2. If you're playing on a console or mobile device, check the relevant App Store or game library to see if an update is available. Remember, all players in a multiplayer session need to be running the same version of the game for it to work correctly.
Are there any connection issues?
The second step is to consider potential connection issues. Here are some things you might want to check. 1. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection if possible. 2. If you're trying to join a friend's game, ensure they've correctly set up the server and that it's currently running. 3. Check your firewall settings. Sometimes, your firewall might block Terraria from connecting to the internet. You may need to add Terraria as an exception in your firewall settings.
Are there any server issues?
If your game is up to date and your connection is fine, the issue might be with the server you're trying to connect to. Here are a few things to check. 1. Is the server online and currently accepting connections? You can usually check this on the server's website or forum. 2. Does the server have enough capacity for all the players who are trying to join? If the server is full, you won't be able to join until someone else leaves. 3. Is the server's version of Terraria the same as yours? If not, you won't be able to join the server. Troubleshooting multiplayer issues in Terraria can take some time and patience, but in most cases, the issues can be resolved by following these steps. Remember to check your game version, test your connection, and verify the server status. We hope that this video has been helpful and that you'll be back in the game with your friends soon.